Hello, I'm Ashay, and today I want to talk to you about my top 10 reasons for using Canva. So, my first reason is it's free. Yes, there are paid plans. Yes, there are other add-ons that you can pay for, but most of the features on Canva are free to use for as long as you need it. The second reason is it's convenient. So, for me specifically, that's always posting things from my phone, I have the app on my phone. So, what I can do is to quickly design something online, because this works easier for me, and then to log into my phone app and then just download whatever I designed and then post it directly from my phone. My third reason is that it's super easy to use the templates. I'm going to show you quickly what I mean by that. So let's say, for example, that I want to design a Instagram story. We can go and click on stories. It's going to give us a blank and it's going to give us a whole bunch of options. Let's say we absolutely love this or that story. Then what you can do is simply drag and drop your own things into this. So if you have a photo that you want to use, let's say we want to use this one, it's already got a filter on, it's already got everything on that it needs. So you can change the font if you use Dainty or whatever, and you can change the colors to fit your brand colors, which is something we'll get into a little bit later too. So the templates mean that it's quick and easy to make something that looks awesome, and you can upload it directly from The next reason, and this is number 4, is that you can be consistent across the board when it comes to your brand with your colors. So the only thing is you're going to have to remember which font you use or fonts you use on everything. That's where brand board kind of comes in. But you can upload your specific brand color. So you don't have to just go with a generic red. You can go with your red. You don't have to go with a generic yellow. You can go with your yellow. You can upload your colors as part of your brand kit, and you can use those consistently. As I am showing you over here. So when you go and you have to change any colors, my brand colors are uploaded on this palette right over here, and on everything that I work on, they are right there. The next reason, number five, is you can easily share designs with other people. So you don't have to worry about them not being able to edit design. So if you're designing a poster for a friend, you can share the design with them, and in real time they can work on that design too. You can collaborate in real time on Canva, which is absolutely awesome. And the way that you do it is top right. My screen is cut off a little bit over here. There's an option to share. When you click share, it gives you this, and then you just say copy link. Now you can email this link that you've just copied to your friend, and they will be able to work on this exact same design. And that will show up in a different spot, which I'll show you in a different video. Number 6 is you can download in different formats. So for example, let's say that I have a moving element in here. Let's say we have a little bit of a, let's go twinkle. And let's get a moving element going over here. Let's say I want to add this. I love it. It looks really cool. We can download this as either a video, or we can download it as a GIF. So if you add music to this too, you can add, and I'll show you later how to do that. You can download it as a video, or you can download it as a GIF, which will have no sound. Or you can even download it as a static PNG or JPEG, which also works fine. So you have options. Number 7 is that it's multi-purpose. If you go over here, you can literally make everything from calendars to desktop wallpapers to presentations to Instagram posts, to logos, to stationery, like everything that you need to be able to make for your business, you can pretty much make inside Canva. It's so versatile. Number 8 is that it's got preloaded correct sizes. So if you want to go and do a Facebook post, let's get to Facebook post quickly. So if you want to do a phone wallpaper, you see there's the size for the phone wallpaper. Over here's the desktop wallpaper, already correct sizing. Instagram post, already got the correct size there. Stories, it's already got the correct sizes. So you don't have to go and resize things when it comes to upload. It's already been resized for you. Number 9 is you have lots and lots of storage. So under uploads, this is where you upload everything that you want to be able to use inside your designs. I've uploaded so many things in here and I still have space on the free plan. So there's lots of space for you to be able to upload things before you run out of space and you have to pay for a paid plan. So you definitely have enough time to check this out and see if you want to pay for the pro plan or not. Number 10 is you need no design experience. I mean, if you go and look at the templates, if you go and look at all the various things over here, you can have your brand look professional. I mean, you can make a video that looks amazing without any design experience. I mean, how cute is this? Let's play this quickly. How cute is this as maybe a little intro on your YouTube channel or something? For somebody that's never done any designing, this looks amazing. You just change this out to say your own brand things and you look like a professional. This gives you the option to look like a professional even when you're not. That's what I love about Canva, is for entry-level folks that are just starting out their businesses, that just need something out there as a social media presence. This is a great way for you to start, to get it out there, to get it done without having to pay somebody, because, I mean, we all know starting a business is expensive. You don't have money right now to pay a graphic designer to do all your socials for you. So here's a free option. Here's a perfectly free option. And I'm going to give you a bonus tip or a bonus reason why I love to use Canva. And that is the fact that you get free stock photography right in here. You don't have to go to Unsplash or Pixels and download it. It's right here. And you also get use of free music. Let me show you where that is. So when you go over here, let's say we want to add something over here. You can go to Elements and you can go Photos, see all. So again, some of these are paid, some of them are free. But let's say you have a skincare brand. You could absolutely use that as your background thing over there. And let's say, okay, let's just imagine that you've already changed all the words. All of these are free. The ones that are paid will have a little crown, or they will tell you that they're paid. But up to thus far, all of these are free. All of these are free. And you can simply drag and drop. Okay, my computer's being a little bit slow. There we go. But you can simply drag and drop, and it looks awesome. And you don't have to pay for the use of these photos. And then what you can do is add audio. So let's say we want to use the happy whistling ukulele. There we go. So if we play our video, this is what it's going to look like. I didn't upload the sound. Just 1 second. Okay, let's try it now. Okay, for some reason it's not playing the sound. Might have to just use a different song or something. But my point is that you can get this for free. You don't have to pay for music. You don't have to go pay for copyrighted stuff. You don't have to go pay for photos to be able to use. And you don't have to use the stock photos with the watermarks over them. You can have professional looking photos without having to worry about the cost. So those are my reasons, my top 10 reasons and my little bonus reason for using Canva. If you liked this video, if you found it helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. And remember to go check out the 10 reasons to use Da Vinci video. And I will see you soon.